What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I stretch Journey's very thick type 4 hair. I really don't know what type hair she has, honestly, but I'm pretty sure she's maybe like a 4A, 4B in case you're wondering, but that's just a guess. Anyway, I've already applied this Camille Rose Curl Love to her hair. And that's all I'm going to put in her hair for now before I start blow drying, because I will be using heat to stretch her hair. So I'm going to use this Tresemme Thermal Creations. It's a heat protectant and a blow dry accelerator. So, and I like the way it smells also. There's several different ways you can stretch the hair. I prefer this method because it stretches the hair to full capacity, if that makes sense. It's not quite a blowout, but it definitely stretches the curls. But you could also try a banding method. You can do threading. It is several different ways to stretch the hair, but this is my preferred method. So I always finger detangle her hair first, and then I'll kind of detangle it with the comb. So as you can see, her hair, the shrinkage is crazy, y'all. Look, black hair is magic. I don't know. Anyway, I'm using the Andis 1875 watt ceramic Ionic styler dryer. I really like this blow dryer because it has 3 different attachments. And I am blow drying her hair on medium, so I'm just raking it through. You can blow dry on high, but if you use high heat, it's gonna be more of like a blowout than a stretch, just in my opinion, but you know, to each his own. Once the section is dry, I just do a very, very loose twist to get the hair out of the way and to keep it stretched. And that's it. You'll see in just a second how stretched her hair is. So yeah, that's how I do it. And I just keep sectioning off the hair. I usually do 4 big sections, and then I do 2 sub sections within the big section. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this all over this side of her hair, and then on the other side of her hair, I'm gonna show you a different method to stretch that is not my preferred, but I just want to show you just to add some variety to this video in case you're uncomfortable using heat. Okay, so here is a side by side. The left side hasn't been stretched at all, and then the right side is completely stretched. So, you know, you can kind of see the difference. Typically what I'll do is bun it up like so. I usually do 2 buns until I'm ready to style. I never blow dry and style in the same day because Journey is just not going to tolerate that, okay? She barely makes it through the blow drying. It is not her favorite thing, but it helps me with her styles for the rest of the month. So here I'm just showing you, I banded the other side. This is not my preferred method, and I'm going to show you why. So in banding, it's just putting it in small sections and wrapping bands around it. So if you're going for like a twist out kind of look or a braid out look, then I think you will love this method. For me personally, I want the hair to look a little bit more straight, more stretched. But this is an alternative if you want to keep the curls, but just kind of a more elongated curl. So here's a side by side. So you can kind of see the blow dry section is more stretched, and it also has more body. It's more movement on that side, and then the banded side is more of like a twist out, which is still cute. I think you could do like a twist out look and put a headband on, and it will be so cute. But for me, she's going in ponytails after this, so I just wanted her hair to be a little more straight. So yeah, there's a side by side for you. And that is it, guys. That is how I stretch her hair. It's very easy. I'll link what blow dryer I use at the bottom. This isn't sponsored. I actually bought the blow dryer from Walmart for like $30. So yeah, you might can find it somewhere cheaper, but I'll link it. And I ended up just putting her hair up in a like a bun. We were on our way to a birthday party, so yeah, I threw it up in this somewhat messy bun, and it'll probably be like this until I'm ready to style. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in my next style video. Be blessed.